Recently, rumors have been making the rounds online, suggesting that Binance, one of the world's largest and most influential cryptocurrency exchanges, issued an apology to PiNetwork. These claims have sparked widespread discussions and debates within the cryptocurrency community, with many users speculating about the reasons behind such an apology. Some of these rumors even go as far as to claim that Binance delisted PiNetwork from its platform and later issued a formal apology for the delisting. This narrative has gained traction, with fabricated screenshots and posts circulating on social media platforms. However, these claims are entirely baseless. Binance has never listed PiNetwork on its platform, let alone delisted it. The absence of PiNetwork on Binance can be verified by simply searching for it on the platform. Furthermore, there are no credible news sources, official statements, or announcements from Binance to support these allegations. The lack of evidence highlights the fabricated nature of these rumors. It appears that these rumors originated from a fabricated screenshot that was shared online, possibly as part of an April Fool's Day prank. Such pranks, while seemingly harmless, can cause confusion and mislead investors. This situation serves as a reminder of the importance of being cautious about the information you encounter online, especially when it pertains to the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. False information can lead to poor investment decisions and unnecessary panic. Always take the time to verify any claims from reliable and trustworthy sources. Cross-checking information across multiple platforms can help you avoid falling victim to misinformation. This is particularly crucial when it comes to claims about major exchanges like Binance. Such claims can have a significant impact on a cryptocurrency's market value and reputation, making it all the more important to approach them with skepticism and due diligence. There are several reasons why Binance has not listed PiNetwork. One major factor is PiNetwork's lack of transparent tokenomics. Binance and other exchanges need clear information about a cryptocurrency's total supply, distribution, and how it will be managed over time. This information is crucial for assessing the risk and potential value of a cryptocurrency. Another key reason is PiNetwork's regulatory ambiguity. The cryptocurrency market is still largely unregulated, and exchanges are increasingly cautious about listing cryptocurrencies that could attract regulatory scrutiny. PiNetwork's unique approach to KYC and its lack of clarity regarding its legal status present challenges for exchanges seeking to comply with existing and future regulations. Despite not being listed on major exchanges, PiNetwork has managed to capture the attention of the cryptocurrency community. Its absence from platforms like Binance and Coinbase has not deterred its growing popularity. Instead, it has sparked curiosity and speculation about its potential future listings. Recently, PiNetwork has experienced a significant price surge, drawing the attention of both investors and analysts. This surge has been seen as a sign of growing confidence in the project. In April 2025, the price of Pi rallied by over 80% from its monthly low, a remarkable achievement for a cryptocurrency that remains unlisted on major exchanges. This rally saw Pi reaching 74.94 cents, a new milestone that has sparked discussions across the crypto community. This marks the highest price point for Pi since March 31, 2025, showcasing its potential to break barriers despite its current limitations. Some analysts even suggest that Pi could be poised for a 135% jump in the near future, fueled by its unique approach to mining and its growing community of users. This price surge is likely driven by a combination of factors, including the increasing interest in decentralized finance and the broader adoption of blockchain technology. The overall bullish sentiment in the cryptocurrency market has also played a significant role, as investors look for promising projects with untapped potential. Additionally, PiNetwork's growing user base has been a key factor, with millions of users actively engaging with the platform and contributing to its ecosystem. Speculation about potential future listings on major exchanges has further fueled excitement, as many believe such a move could significantly boost Pi's value and credibility. However, it's important to note that Pi's price is still highly volatile, reflecting the inherent risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. As with any digital asset, Pi's value is subject to significant fluctuations, and investors should approach with caution while keeping an eye on its long-term potential. In February 2025, PiNetwork launched its open Mainnet. This was a significant milestone for the project, as it enabled token transfers and external connectivity. The open mainnet launch was seen by many as a step towards greater legitimacy for PiNetwork. It demonstrated the project's commitment to delivering on its promises and moving towards a more decentralized and functional ecosystem. However, the open mainnet launch also raised concerns about the project's level of decentralization. Reports indicate that a significant portion of Pi's total supply is held by a small number of wallets, including those linked to the Pi core team. This has led to accusations of centralization, which could potentially undermine the project's long-term success. Section 5. Challenges facing PiNetwork: Transparency and Centralization. Transparency remains a major challenge for PiNetwork. Despite its growing popularity, the project has faced criticism for not providing enough detailed information about its operations, governance, and financial structure. Transparency is a cornerstone of trust in the cryptocurrency world, and without it, skepticism grows. While the project has taken steps to address concerns about its tokenomics, there is still a lack of clarity regarding the total supply of Pi, its distribution, and the vesting schedule for early investors and the core team. This lack of clarity leaves many questions unanswered, such as how the tokens are allocated and whether the distribution aligns with the project's stated goals of fairness and inclusivity. This lack of transparency makes it, well, difficult to assess the true value of Pi and raises concerns about potential market manipulation. Without clear data, it becomes challenging for users and investors to make informed decisions, leaving room for speculation and uncertainty. Centralization is another significant challenge. In a space that thrives on decentralization, the perception of central control can be a major red flag. Centralization not only contradicts the ethos of blockchain technology, but also creates vulnerabilities in the system. The fact that a large portion of Pi's token supply is held by a small number of wallets raises concerns about the project's susceptibility to manipulation and censorship. This concentration of wealth and power could lead to decisions being made by a select few rather than the broader community. This concentration of power could potentially undermine the principles of decentralization that underpin the cryptocurrency movement. Decentralization is not just a technical feature, it is a philosophy that ensures fairness, security, and resilience. If PiNetwork cannot address these concerns, it risks alienating its user base and losing credibility in the broader crypto ecosystem. Section 6. The Regulatory Hurdle. PiNetwork's Global Challenge. PiNetwork faces significant regulatory hurdles. The cryptocurrency market is still largely unregulated and different countries have varying stances on cryptocurrencies. PiNetwork's unique approach to KYC, which relies on a proprietary solution, may not meet the regulatory requirements of all jurisdictions. This could honestly limit the project's ability to operate globally and attract users from certain regions. Navigating the complex and evolving regulatory landscape is crucial for PiNetwork's long-term success. The project really needs to engage with regulators proactively and demonstrate a willingness to comply with relevant laws and regulations. Failure to do so could result in fines, legal challenges, and, damage to the project's reputation. Section 7. The Pi Community, Between Hope and Skepticism. PiNetwork boasts a large and passionate community of users. Millions of people worldwide have downloaded the PiNetwork app and are actively engaging with the project. This strong community support is one of PiNetwork's greatest strengths. It provides, without a doubt, a solid foundation for future growth and adoption. However, the Pi community is also divided. Some users are highly optimistic about the project's future, believing that Pi will eventually be listed on major exchanges and become a widely adopted cryptocurrency. Others, though, are more skeptical, expressing concerns about the project's lack of transparency, centralization, and regulatory challenges. Section 8. PiNetwork's Future, Potential and Uncertainty. PiNetwork has the potential to disrupt the cryptocurrency landscape. Its unique approach to mining, which allows users to earn Pi by simply using their smartphones, has made cryptocurrency accessible to a wider audience. If PiNetwork can address its challenges related to transparency, centralization, and regulation, it could become a major player in the cryptocurrency market. However, PiNetwork's future remains uncertain. The project faces significant challenges, and its success is far from guaranteed. Whether PiNetwork can overcome these challenges and achieve its full potential remains to be seen. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving and, honestly, only time will tell what the future holds for PiNetwork. Section 9. Conclusion. Time will tell. The rumors about Binance apologizing to PiNetwork are entirely false. Binance has never listed PiNetwork on its platform. While PiNetwork has shown some promise with its recent price surge and open mainnet launch, it still faces significant challenges related to transparency, centralization, and regulation. The future of PiNetwork remains uncertain. Its success will depend on its ability to address these challenges and gain wider adoption. For now, it's crucial to remain cautious and to rely on credible information sources when evaluating PiNetwork and other cryptocurrencies.